Not all fire trucks are red. Sometimes they're green. This is one we are wrapping up here. This is an all poly series 3,000 gallon truck. We are nearing completion on it here. Just give you a quick walk around. On the front here, we do have a little bit of an extended bumper with the Elkhart Brush Hawk electric monitor on here. I really like the adjustability on the gallonage on this one. You can switch from 200 gallons a minute all the way down to 15 gallons a minute, depending on how much you want to conserve your water. It does have the federal EQ siren on here, so that mimics the Q2B sound that you get from the classic mechanical Q2B. Also satisfies your electronic sounds as well. Moving over here to the pump panel, we've got kind of the standard options here. We've got our innovative controls, soft glow series, tank level gauges. We've got the FRC Pump Boss Max auto governor, one of the easiest to use auto governors that I've found. And then we do also have the innovative controls touch pack here. So you've got pump and gauge, panel lights, and then you've got your scene light control. So that'll run all the scene lights on the truck. Moving into the cab here, we have the innovative controls, multiplex screen. So this is going to give you the ability, your master warning, panel lights, intersection deactivation. You can do your pump and gauge from this screen, scene lights from this screen, seat belts from this screen, and then also if you do have a door open or like your tank carrier down, that's all going to display there, so you know why you're getting that do not move apparatus light. And then of course there's that integrated tank level gauge. We've got our joystick control for the front monitor. You've got your electric rear dump on this truck, so there's your controls for that as well, and then your traffic advisor control. On the street side of this truck, nothing too crazy. We've got a couple hard suctions with trays. Now these guys opted for 2. You can do more if you'd like. And then moving to the back of the truck, pretty common sight around here, we'll have the Newton 10-inch stainless steel swivel dump valve. This will extend out 36 inches, so you get quite a bit of coverage from that. Here's your controls for the electric rear valve there. And then on the curb side of the truck, you've got another switch pack. So this is going to be, once again, your scene light control, and then your tank carrier as well, the Zyko drop tank carrier. And then for the rear fill, this is a TFT ball intake valve. It's got a 5-inch stores cap with a 2.5-inch adapter built into the cap. So if you need to fill fast, you have that option. And if you just need to, you're in a neighboring district where maybe they don't have 5.5 or 5-inch, and you just want to top off with the 2.5, you have that ability there as well. You got your pressure or your bypass, and then also our intake pressure relief valve on there as well. If you're thinking about speccing a truck and these are some of the features you'd like to see on yours, or you're curious about what other options are available, feel free to give us a shout. We're happy to help.